The Zoho Notebook app is one of the most beautifully designed and feature-packed free note-taking apps available today. It's built for people who want to stay organized, creative, and productive without paying for expensive subscriptions like Evernote or Notion. But is it really the best free option out there? Let's explore what makes Zoho Notebook stand out and whether it's worth using. So Zoho Network lets you create and organize notes effortlessly using note cards, each designed for different types of content. You can write text notes, record audio, capture photos, or save checklists and documents. Everything syncs instantly across your devices throughout the cloud. So you can start a note on your phone and finish it later on your laptop or tablet. It's simple, smooth, and fast. What really sets Zoho Notebook apart is its design and user experience. The interface is sleek, colorful, and completely ad-free, giving it a premium feel despite being free. You can customize covers for each notebook, use gestures to group or stack notes, and even lock sensitive ones with a password or fingerprint. The drag and drop system makes organizing ideas super intuitive, perfect for students, writers, or professionals. Zoho also integrates with the Zoho WorkDrive, Google Workspace, and other apps, which makes it a great productivity companion. It supports web clipping too, so you can save articles, screenshots, and links straight from your browser into your notes. Plus, it works offline, meaning you can just jot down your thoughts anywhere, anytime. In terms of privacy, Zoho has a strong reputation. It doesn't sell your data or show ads, and your notes are stored securely with end-to-end encryption. That's a major advantage compared to other free note-taking tools that rely on ads or data tracking. There are, though, a few small downsides. For example, the Zoho Notebook lacks advanced features like collaboration tools or complex database style organization, which apps like Notion or Obsidian offer. But for most users, its simplicity is a strength, not a drawback. Overall, the Zoho Notebook app is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants a beautiful, secure, and 100% free note-taking experience. It's easy to use, privacy-focused, and feature-rich. A perfect blend of style and functionality that provides great productivity tools that don't cost a thing.